As she hugged her girlfriend, Lucy felt like she could see her bones and veins, almost like they were transparent. The laptop in Lucy's hands was completely unlocked, and in just a few seconds, it opened up hundreds of scientific papers. Information flooded into her mind, and her brain was evolving at an astonishing pace. It had already surpassed all lifeforms on Earth. She found the smartest expert in the world, and called him directly. She told him she had read all of his papers, and could even recite them word for word. The professor thought she was joking, but the next second, Lucy appeared on his TV screen. She told him her entire body was evolving. Her brain was already 28% developed, and she could control electronic devices at will. She had a feeling she wouldn't last more than 24 hours. All the knowledge about humanity and the universe was pouring into her brain. The professor suggested she save the knowledge, and they agreed to meet in a few hours. Before leaving, she used the Chinese she just learned to write a prescription for her girlfriend, because she noticed her liver wasn't in good shape. When she got to the airport, the news on TV was broadcasting her wanted poster. Lucy quickly changed her hairstyle, and on the plane, she typed away on 2 computers at the same time. The passengers beside her were shocked. When she closed the laptops, she had memorized all of humanity's knowledge. At that point, her brain was 40% developed. She took a sip of wine, and a tooth fell out. Then 3 more followed. Her skin began to peel off her hands, and Lucy panicked, running to the bathroom. But her skin cells were still uncontrollably drifting away. She quickly swallowed a crystal, but her body couldn't handle all the energy. When she woke up, her brain had developed to 50%. The police were waiting at her door. Lucy raised her hand, and all the officers behind Jack passed out. She told Jack to take her to get the remaining crystals. Now, Lucy could see all the electromagnetic waves. She used her hands to move through them, finding the gang's communication records. Immediately, she drove to the hospital. By now, the gang members had the crystals and were ready to leave. Lucy used her mind to make their weapons stick to the ceiling, and created an invisible barrier to stop them. Then she took the box from their hands. When she finally met with the professor, she was ready to share all the knowledge she had gained. At this point, Lucy could control her cells at will.